at the extent of human wickedness, and to pray for those who have been so tragically and unjustly hurt and killed. Today we remember the 41 lives that have been lost on the 7th day of March 1941. We pray for their families and those who remember them and that dreadful day. We pray for those persons and agencies who selflessly responded, those who provided care, support, and healing, and some of those agencies which still provide care for our people. Today we pray also for our community leaders, our MP, our mayor and councillors, our police, and all who face the difficult task of protecting our communities and nurturing those values on which our well-being depends. Lord, help us to build a better Newark, a better Britain, a better world, a community, a country, a world where differences is seen as opportunities to broaden our understanding, disagreements as a chance to learn and to grow, where faith is reclaimed and that which brings out the best in us and turns our hearts to all that is good and true. Lord, in your mercy, hear our prayer. We say the prayer that Jesus gave us. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever.